So, you're looking to make some extra cash. I've got 10 ideas for you. Hey everybody, my name is Mica Gonzalez, that's M-I-C-A, Gonzalez with a Z, and I am a champion for the passion project warriors, the side hustlers, the creative business owners out there. So if you do need some funds for that new venture, that new project, then you're in luck because I have a list of 10 awesome side hustles that any creator can start with little to no experience. Let's get started. First things first, drop shipping. If you've never heard of this side hustle before, it's basically where you create an online shop, manage all the orders, do all the marketing, but you don't actually supply any of the product yourselves. One reason this is so great is because a lot of wholesalers and retailers don't really have the manpower to manage the marketing and the sales part of their stores. But you, as a creator, can do all of that for them while benefiting from the fact that you don't have to create your own products. It's all the products from this wholesaler, from this supplier. One thing to note though, there are sketchy ways to do drop shipping where you kind of take popular products from the market, then create a new listing for them and a really high price. So don't be that kind of drop shipper. Idea number 2 is super simple. Put up your old items for sale. If you're already taking time to Marie Kondo up your room or your closet, why not actually turn anything usable into some income? You can try your luck in places like Facebook Marketplace, in apps like Carousel if you're Filipino like me, or even in places like eBay. The next idea is trying to teach a class on Skillshare. Just in case you didn't know, it's actually possible to upload, publish, and market your own classes on Skillshare absolutely for free. And the way you can earn from it is you earn royalties for every time somebody enrolls and watches your classes. This is just a great way to kind of teach people what you already know or are good at, and it's just a sweet bonus that you earn from that as well. And what about print-on-demand products? Print-on-demand is kind of like making your own merch, except you don't have to manage all the inventory, all the logistics, and the shipping yourself. So anytime somebody checks out something from one of your designs through that store, you're gonna get a commission out of it. And the next idea is to be a creative assistant. One way to hit 2 birds with 1 stone is to offer your time and energy helping out or assisting this creator or this creative team whose industry you might be interested in. For example, if you're passionate about photography and want to learn the whole landscape, you can offer your creative styling assistance, for example, to any local photographers in your area. You don't have to charge that high, and people are gonna appreciate having that kind of help anyway, and this is a great chance to learn from the experience as well. And right before I move on to the next idea, why don't you leave me a comment down below? Let me know what side hustle would you want to try out with your creative passions and hobbies. Okay, so the next idea is to actually host a workshop. A workshop is simpler than having some full-blown online course or class on Skillshare, because a workshop is just this tiny, maybe 1 to 2 hour, 3 hours max kind of activity or event that you can spend teaching somebody something that you already know you're good at. You don't actually have to be some kind of master or expert with 10 years of experience. You can definitely teach something that you have just a couple of years experience in. To get started, just invite anyone in your personal network and ask them to invite other people to attend your small workshop for a small fee. The 7th idea is something I've talked about at length in this channel, which is becoming an affiliate, but with a twist. Usually when I talk about affiliate marketing, you are required to have some kind of minimum follower count, or you're supposed to have a website or all that stuff. So being an affiliate with a twist, especially if you have little to no experience or little to no audience, is you can approach any shop, any local or small business that you might be in touch with or you're a fan of, and offer to promote some of their products for a commission. So the key here is to get creative and convince these small businesses that you can actually be a great person to help them sell and promote their products in exchange for a very small fee. Did you know that you can get paid to give advice? There are sites like clarity.fm that let you sign up as an expert in a specific niche and then charge people per minute that they're on a call with you. Calls can be anything about marketing, sales, public speaking, relationships, whatever. So just pick something that you know you're good at and can give great advice on, and then start making bank on it. This is a great option out there for anyone who doesn't really want to become a full-fledged coach or anything, so give it a shot. And our second to the last idea is to take on some easy gigs. So look, maybe you're not trying to be some full-fledged freelancer, you're not trying to be some expert or something and charge high ticket for your services. Then that's okay. You can actually take some very easy gigs and offer them to anyone who might need your help. It could be managing someone's social media page for a month. It could be trying to design their stuff on Canva. Whatever it is, try to find some easy clients that you can offer your services to in exchange for a reasonable fee. Last but definitely not least, try to sell some of your original work to some online creative marketplaces. There are so many niche marketplaces out there, kind of like Amazon, that will take anything that you've already made. An example of stores like this are Etsy, where you can create handmade goods and then put them up on sale. But if you know where to look, you can find some sites that are going to accept things like original music, stock photos, stock videos, and you get commission every time somebody downloads or buys your work. So all the ideas in this list are simple and easy to start. You don't need a lot of experience. But if you want to make a real full-time income from your creativity, then I recommend watching this video over here that shows you a few ideas.